A notice, as you all know, is a very short piece of writing and is usually written in a formal style. Notices are widely used by individuals, institutions, and organizations to announce events, occasions, celebrations, and to make appeals, etc. Generally, notices are stuck or pasted on the information boards meant for this purpose, but certain notices, example notices issued by government departments for general public or for a wide group of people, are published in newspapers. Now, what are the points we have to remember before writing a notice? For the notice, points to remember: write the notice in a neat and legible handwriting. Legible means which could be understood easily, neat and clean. Use simple and clear language. Follow the format. There is the format of the notice. How to write? Write an eye-catching heading. Your heading should clearly indicate the purpose for which the notice is being written. The content should include. Contents means the body of the notice. The mention of the target group for whom the notice has been written. किसके लिए notice लिखा गया है? The purpose of writing a notice. Why the notice has been written. Details like date, time, venue means place where for events, meetings, and or competitions, etc. Whom to contact. For this, who is to be contacted. Your notice must also bear the signature, name, and designation of the person. Designation means post of the person who has written the notice or on whose behalf it has been. किसकी तरफ से ये नोटिस लिखा गया है. You must place the entire content in a box. It should have a box. The notice should be placed in a box. You must adhere to the given limit. For example, it is given write in about 50 words. So that you should stuck to the word limit. Symbols and abbreviations can also be used in some notices. Your notice must not contain any irrelevant information. Irrelevant means जिसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है उसको mention नहीं करना. Only information regarding that notice should be there. And a notice is generally written in third person, therefore use of I, we, and second person you should be avoided. Usually present tense and future tense references predominate over other tense form. Now the format of the notice is there. Just go through it. For example, first is, you all know, a box is to be made, open-ended box, I always tell you. Then name of the office, for example, name of the school which is sending, then notice, then date, then the word notice is to be written, then date is to be written, then heading of the subject, for example, lost, found, or any competition, name of the competition. Then in this space, contents, what is to be sent in the notice. Then signature, then designation, and name in capital letters, and the box is to be closed.